As a financial service professional, you know that your contracts are some of the world's most complex and regulated. They contain the dates, clauses, and obligations that dictate your institutional risk. Without real-time visibility into all your agreements, you run the risk of being out of compliance or in a position to pay millions of dollars in fines. To reduce that risk, you need a proven solution that can handle the specific complexities of financial service agreements. Between derivative trading agreements and other contracts, how are you maintaining vital insight into your portfolio? Exari's AI-powered data extraction quickly identifies and captures every piece of vital information from your agreements. Pairing Exari's universal contract model with our legal language processing, the data is then structured and stored in a single searchable repository. Once your data is structured, it can then be used to run highly sophisticated reports in a matter of minutes. With these reports, you can monitor key clauses, monitor specific risk markers, monitor important contract milestones, and in a crisis, immediately access the information you urgently need. Enter a new era of contract clarity with Exari.